Mysterious aircraft over New Jersey ignite widespread concern and debate. New Jersey skies have become the focus of intense scrutiny as reports of mysterious aircraft continue to surface, sparking fear, speculation, and calls for action. Residents and officials alike remain perplexed, with sightings described as frequent and inexplicable. While federal security officials now suggest the objects may not be drones, but rather manned aircraft operating within the law, their explanation has failed to quell growing unease. Witnesses and experts argue that the observed behavior of these aircraft defies the capabilities of conventional technology, leaving questions unanswered. Eyewitnesses challenge official explanations. Eyewitness accounts paint a baffling picture. Many describe seeing objects change direction abruptly, exhibiting flight patterns that seem beyond the scope of normal aircraft. They'll just change direction, like go from 90 to 270 degrees, one resident said. Planes obviously can't do that. Such accounts are bolstered by observations of seemingly impossible maneuvers. Fixed-wing aircraft don't stop and hover, then go dark and take off, said one aviation expert. There are too many eyewitness reports for this to be dismissed as routine manned aircraft. Defying detection and evading authorities. The mystery deepens with reports from law enforcement officials that these aircraft appear capable of avoiding conventional detection methods. According to one New Jersey law enforcement officer, the objects seem to anticipate pursuit. When our state police helicopter gets close, the lights go off and the aircraft disappear, the officer explained. Radar systems also seem ineffective at tracking the objects, raising questions about their origin and purpose. They appear to evade traditional radar systems, which is unusual for anything operating in civilian airspace, another official noted. Federal agencies at a loss. Despite these unsettling accounts, federal security agencies have been unable to corroborate the sightings, leaving the public and local authorities frustrated. Intelligence analyst John Miller acknowledged that the military has the capability to neutralize drones if necessary, but he cautioned against such actions in populated areas due to the risk of debris causing damage. This lack of definitive answers has fueled widespread speculation. Theories abound. From advanced technology to UFOs. With no clear explanation, theories about the mysterious aircraft range from plausible to otherworldly. Some believe they could be foreign surveillance devices, possibly testing the limits of U.S. air defense systems. Others suggest experimental U.S. military technology, private hobbyists with advanced equipment, or even UFOs. The notion of extraterrestrial involvement, while far-fetched to some, has gained traction among a segment of residents. A local resident joked, "If they are Martians, I guarantee they won't stick around." New Jersey taxes are too high for anyone, even aliens. Public demands for answers intensify. As the sightings persist, so does the demand for transparency and action. Many residents are calling on federal and state authorities to conduct thorough investigations and provide clear answers. How do you know there's no threat if you don't even know what it is? Asked one concerned resident. The ongoing mystery has captivated public imagination and spurred debates on social media and in community forums. Local news outlets have encouraged the public to share their theories, with some news stations even creating polls for viewers to voice their opinions. For now, New Jerseyans are left scanning the skies and hoping for clarity. Whether the explanation lies in human innovation, foreign espionage, or something beyond comprehension, one thing is certain. The skies over New Jersey are anything but ordinary. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.